Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, which is video number 3 on the lesson of 6, which is equilibrium and acceleration under concurrent forces. In this video, we will talk about point number 6, which is system involving more than one particle. So force will act upon concurrent forces, or maybe one force on more than one particle. The link of the other videos you can find in the description below. So let's try to understand this concept with this diagram, with this problem. I have taken here two problems. So you have to find out the forces which are unknown, T, acceleration A, and R. Now if we study this, one particle is of 10 kg, other particle is 8 kg, and system is moving upward, and definitely from here it is downward. So let's see, first of all we need to resolve the forces at 10 kg particle because it is parallel to the plane. So let's resolve it first. If this is 10 kg, I'm just making it a little big. This will be perpendicular to the plane and this will be parallel to the plane. This angle will be 30 and this force will be 10 g cos 30 and this one will be 10 g sine 30. Okay. Now if we see at this block 8 kg first of all, okay, so let me talk about the forces at 8 kg. Because it is moving downward, then according to the Newton's second law of motion, this gives us resultant force. So at 8 kg I can say downward force 8g is more than the tension. So I will write 8g minus t is equals to 8a. Mass is 8, right? So this will be my one equation. G we use in M1 as 10. So it will be 8t minus t equals to 8a, or 8t minus 8a equals to t. So you got your one equation. Because you have to find out tension and acceleration both, so you will make two equations. Now I will make the other equation at 10 kg. Okay. Now since there is no motion happening vertical to the plane, perpendicular to the plane, so I can say R, like this force, is equal to this force. So R is equals to 10g cos 30. So R is equals to 86.6 Newton. Now if we see parallel to the plane, T is acting upward and particle is moving upward. It means the downward force parallel to the plane, which is due to the weight, is less than T. So using Newton's second law of motion, what it will become? You tell me and I will write here. Yes, you are right. T minus 10g sine 30. Absolutely right. Is equals to 10a because the weight is 10 kg. So from here I will get this equation also and I will solve them simultaneously then. So this is my equation number 2. Now solving equation 1 and 2 together, let me change the color of the pen. So it will be 8t minus 8a, and in place of t I am substituting this value of t. 10g, instead of g I can write 100 because 10 times 10 is 100, sine 30 plus 10a, right? So now if you solve it, you can do one more step. 8 is equals to 100 sine 30 is equals to 18a. Now pick up your calculator. I have written here. So a is equals to 5/3 meter per second square. So it is, or in decimal also I would recommend you write it. So you got the acceleration, but you have to find tension also according to the requirement. So now you just substitute the value here or in this equation, your choice. To get it, so I'm substituting here because it's a small and easy. 80 minus 8, 5/3, and I got here 66.7 Newton. Write the right unit force is Newton, acceleration is meter per second square. Now let's see this question. If you want to try it out yourself, you can put the video on pause, else I am explaining and solving here. Now this 2 kg particle is on a smooth plane, right? And of course it will act, the force will act downward. Then we will resolve it. And the angle is 30 degree, we can see it in the diagram. The 3 kg is hanging here. Particle is released from rest with both particle string is taut. This will be your tension T, and the tension T here will be acting upward. We have to find the speed acquired by the particle when both have moved a distance of 1 meter. So basically when this particle would have covered 1 meter distance, similarly this would have covered 1 meter distance, then what is the particle speed? Speed will definitely be same for both. So let's solve here. So if I see with respect to, or to which one I should say, okay. So first of all, let's take this one, okay. So if I look at it from the point of view of 3 kg, then according to Newton's second law of motion, downward force will be 30 Newton, right? And upward force is T. So it will be 30 minus T is equals to 3A. This will be my equation number 1. Now if I see this 2 kg weight and I resolve it, so this is 30, this will be what? 20 Newton, right? Because 2 kg. So it will be 20 cos 30 and this will be 20 sin 30, right? So particle is moving along the plane, so this T is more in this case than the force of the weight. So I will write here with respect to 2 kg particle, if I write F is equals to ma, it will be T minus 20 sine 30 is equals to 2A. This will be my equation number 2. Now you solve them simultaneously like I have solved earlier. So it will become 30 minus T. Let me make 30 T a subject from here. Give me a second. Okay, so this value of T I will plug in here. Okay, so it will be 30 minus 3A minus 20 sine 30 is equals to 2A. So it will be 30 minus 20 sine 30 is equals to 5A. Now pick up the calculator and get the value of A. So A is coming, let me check, yes, 20 upon 4, which is 4 meter per second square. Okay, so I got the acceleration this, but question is asking speed, not acceleration or tension. If I have to calculate tension, I'll substitute this value of A here. But my question is to find out the speed. So now if you remember the uniform acceleration formulae, 4 formulae which you have studied before, what are those? Can I help you reminding it? Okay, one is S is equals to ut plus half at square. Then it is V is equals to u plus at. Then it is V square is equals to u square plus 2as. And S is equals to u plus V over T into this. Now which one you will use? Now you have to see which information you have here. So you have, because it is started from rest, it was written here in the question, the system is released from rest. It means the initial velocity u is 0. Phi you have to find out. Distance covered is 1 meter. Acceleration you have calculated 4. So which formula out of these 4 do you think you can use? Absolutely right, we will use this formula. So it is v square is equals to u square plus 2as. V we have to find out. U is 0. So v is equals to root 8, which is equivalent to what? Calculator please. 2.8 meter per second. So I hope you understood how to apply this in the situation when there are more than one particle in motion. So now in the next video, I will take 2 questions of the past paper and we will solve them. And then this chapter will be completed and we will move on to the next topic, which is friction. Thank you very much for watching. Please press like and subscribe button. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to share it with your friends.